Hello, good evening, guys. So, in this video, we will cover what is ternary operator and what is use of ternary operator in Python. So, first of all, we have to know about the conditional statement in Python. There are multiple types of conditional statement in Python, like if else, and also elif, and we can write only single if condition, right, guys? So so moving forward, what is a ternary operator and what is use of ternary operator? So ternary operator is nothing but there is nothing, not any operator like a mathematical operation. It is just implementation of conditional implementation of condition in one single line is called as ternary operator. So you have know about how to write condition in multiple lines. So without writing these all condition in multiple lines, without writing this all condition in multiple lines, writing this all condition only in single line is called as ternary operator. So so how to execute, we'll see. How to execute this ternary operator. Wait, guys, 1 second. Yes. So we'll see how to execute this ternary operator. So first of all, we'll create one variable a equals to 10, and we'll create one more variable. We'll store 20, 10 and 20. We have stored two integer value in two variables, a equals to 10 and second will the b equals to 20. So now we have to apply the condition. So and we have to check the which number is greater, right? So we'll write these all condition only in single line without writing instead of. So what is a normal way? So we write, so if a is greater than b, and then print a comma is greater, right? We can write, the implementation of condition like this normal way, right? It's a normal way. Else print b is greater, right? And when we print this program, you can see here 20 is greater, right? So now without writing these all condition in multi-line, we can write the only in single line this all implementation of this if and else, and also if condition, right? So I will erase this normal way and create one more variable, right? It's b equals to. So now we can implement the our ternary operator. So b equals to a if a is greater than b, else it will print b, right, guys? So now I will print the this b variable, right? And execute it. So you can see here, guys, it written 20. It means 20 is greater than 10, right? 20 is greater than 10. So for well understanding, I will write here a comma a plus is. So instead of this, we'll write just only a, right? So now moving forward, we'll check one more example on ternary operator, right? So I will write here, one more. We'll store one more variable, name equals to abc. Instead of that, we'll take input from user, right, guys? So I will take input from user. Input, enter a name. So we'll create one more variable. It's var1, and we'll check if name is a Ajay, then it return hello Ajay, how are you? So if name is instead of Ajay any other name, it return hello dash dash hello dash dash, just hello dash dash, right? So we'll write the ternary operator here. We have one equals to name hello 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 name. If name equals to Ajay, else hi name, right? We'll use f string, right guys? So now I will print var1. So you can see here guys, I have executed program, and first of all I will pass the Ajay name, right? You can see here it returned the first statement of our conditional operator. It's a hello Ajay. So if I pass any other name instead of Ajay, suppose I will pass Vishal, so it return hi Vishal, right guys? So you can see here what is use of ternary operator and what is use of conditional operator. It means we can write we can write the implementation of condition like if, elif, else, instead of multi-line in only single line, right? So it's clear guys. I have cleared the doubt about what is ternary operator and what is use of ternary operator. So in interview, the this question is compulsory. We have to must know about this ternary operator and what is meaning of ternary operator, and how to implement ternary operator, what is use of ternary operator, and one example, right guys? So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. So like my video and subscribe my channel for getting more videos from my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.